are doing great today. If you don't know me, my name is Areli and today I'm gonna show you how to make a beautiful fall wreath for your door. Fall is upon us and it's one of my favorite seasons of the year because I love all the decorations and all the colors and how the leaves turn and then fall to the ground. It's absolutely beautiful and I hope that you'll love it as well. So I'm pretty sure you're gonna love this idea because it's made with recyclable items that you might as well already have in your house. So it's a super easy project and it turns out absolutely beautiful. So if you want to learn how to make this fall wreath for your door, just keep watching the video. To make this beautiful fall wreath, we will need a metal wreath for floral arrangements, 10 to 15 soda cans, a can opener, kitchen or utility scissors and regular scissors, 3 leaves of your choice or printed template, permanent marker, acrylic paint of the colors of your preference, a brush, a wooden stick or a nail decorating tool, hot glue gun, and decorative ribbon. The first thing we will do is remove the top of the soda cans with our can opener. Then we take our kitchen scissors and cut a line from the top edge to the base of the can and cut the bottom of the can, making sure to cut through the line before the border so we preserve the flat part of the can as shown. We cut the top of the can by the flat line again until we have a flat rectangle like this. Then we roll the can to the opposite side to make it as flat as possible, and we did the same with 10 or 15 more cans, and the number of cans you will need will depend on the size of your metal wreath. Afterwards, we take our template or 3 leaves and draw the outline on the stamped side of the can, trying to draw as many leaves as possible on each can. You can use the real 3 leaves and trace them on a sheet of paper and use them as templates, or you can use some of the designs I found on the internet, which are linked in the description. When all the leaves are drawn, we proceed to cut them, and once they're ready, we will take a book or a soft surface and taking a wooden stick or a tool to decorate nails, we will mark a few lines on each leaf to simulate the veins that real leaves have, making sure we do it on the stamped side of the can so that when we turn it over, it looks something like this. Once they're ready, we will proceed to paint our leaves, and I decided to use a different color for each type of leaf. And in this case, I am using copper, gold, and brown metallic colors, but you can use the colors of your choice. My leaves needed 2 to 3 coats of paint, but that depends on the type and brand of paint you use. You can make it as solid or as subtle as you prefer. Once our leaves are dry, we will proceed to glue them with our hot glue gun to the metal wreath, making sure to alternate the colors and secure them very well so they do not fall. If you like, you can reinforce them with a little bit more hot glue in the back. We continue this process until our wreath is completely covered and it looks something like this. And if you wish, you can give it a final touch by making a bow out of decorative ribbon and gluing it in place with some hot glue. And once it's ready, our fall wreath will look something like this. This idea is super easy and fun and is also made with recyclable products with a beautiful final result that everybody will love. And that's how easily you can make a beautiful fall wreath for your door with recyclable items. I really hope you like this idea. If you did, please hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe to this channel down below so you don't miss any of the other videos that are coming for this season. I'm sure you're gonna love them. And also help me by sharing these videos with your loved ones so we can spread the word and we can have more people join the community. Thank you very much for being here with me today. You know that as always it was a pleasure for me being here with you today, and I will see you very, very soon. Bye!